Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm here at the new school site.
Hello, I am Joelle and we are here with the same construction workers as last time. Okay, starting. First and foremost, are we still on track for the completion date for the school's construction? And if yes, when is our due date? Due date?
We are absolutely in line with our finish date. You are going to be moving into the school in August when you come back for the new school
Oh,
year,
okay.
and we're proud to say that we're on target for schedule and on budget. So it feels good.
How many people are working on this site per day?
So currently, right now, we have about 80 people working on the site day to day.
What are the obstacles that are hard and how did you overcome them?
So some of the obstacles we face on a construction site will always have to do with how the weather's going to impact us. Right now, we're in the rainy seasons, and the best way to prepare for the rainy season is not to prepare when the rain starts. It's to start preparing before it comes. And Cornell and Bill have done an excellent job keeping this site accessible to keep the work safe for all of our trades and for us to be out here doing this interview right now, actually.
How will you accommodate accessibility needs in the design both for students and staffs?
So that's actually drawn on the plans ahead of time. They go to DSA, which is the Division of the State Architect, and they review the plans to make sure everything is ADA compliant. And what we do out here is more of a QC, which stands for quality control. We make sure our trades are installing to those standards and to the safe measures that the architect and engineers designed to.
What types of materials or design elements address energy efficiency?
So first, I like to start off with building them. Building them has a solar array, so a PV system on it. Then out in the parking lot, there'll be another solar array system that will help with energy efficiency. One of the things that the architect did a good job of in encompassing on this project is the huge curtain wall systems and window openings that's using natural lighting to help out with that energy efficiency. And I would say for as the exterior of the building, it's really heavily insulated to keep in lock in that heat and cold.
What part of the school is under construction that you are most excited about and what are students excited about?
Well, that's a great question, and I'm kind of torn on this one, I'm going to tell you, because I have 4 or 5 really exciting spots here. And the multi-purpose is exciting to me because it's taking shape, and the food service area is coming in, the multi-purpose area. It's getting sheetrock, so that excites me. But right behind me, we just got delivered the first stairway, as you can see behind us. And that's exciting to me because we have 4 stairways here. There will be one sitting here to my right behind us, and that's a 15-footer. It's a big rack. So that's exciting to me. And I'm going to give you one more because I get excited. So are you here?
Yes.
Okay. In Building C, if you come in off the west and you look down on the first floor and look through, it's an open breezeway. The classrooms are on each side. You go into the classrooms there, but you can look straight down. There's going to be learning areas there. There's going to be some seat walls in there. It just, I think, I don't know yet. I got to think about this, but I think that might be my most exciting spot. But the stairs are coming in pretty close a second. But um, Lionakis Architects firm, they've done an excellent job in putting this together, and just excites me as it comes together, and can't wait to get you and walk you through it so you can see what excites me because you're going to get excited. So I'm ready for that day. But I have a couple more things I'm excited about, but I'm going to stop it right there. I don't want to take everybody's time up.
Is there a specific part of the construction of this school that is harder to do than the rest, like concrete or the plumbing or the steel framing?
So I gotta say concrete. And the reason why concrete is because that's where we start. We start off with the foundations, which are made of concrete, and then from there we move on to structural steel. Structural steel is just as hard, but if we don't get it right in the beginning, then we have to basically start over from scratch and work our way back up.
And if you don't mind telling us for the last question, what time do you guys get here and when time do you guys leave? Or like how much time do you guys work?
So we usually show up to the site at 6 o'clock to get the gates open, and then the last trades usually run out here about 3. But don't be surprised if you see us here at 5 or on a Saturday. So
I'll add on to that. Yeah, and just to add on to that, that's for the normal, I'll say our trades and stuff. But for us, we typically here a lot earlier. We'll start our day off at 5:30, and we might not be wrapped up until about 5:30, 5 p.m.
Here in the next interview, we'll have this thing sheetrock. It'll change the whole look of it.
Okay.
Oh, this is
right here.
glass.
You know, this is where the basketball,
So big.
we're gonna have basketball hoop each end.
Yeah.
We'll have volleyball posts that will go on each side.
Okay.
But this is where you're gonna have lunch.
Oh.
That's one of my spots. The stage.
The
Oh,
The
stage.
that's
stage
big.
is going
That's a
to
nice
be
stage.
beautiful. And then we look at these doors over here. That's
Yeah.
all food services. That's a new kitchen.
Okay.
I think it's probably 3 times the size that you have right now. So that excites me as well.
That's exciting.
But this is an exciting room for me.
Yeah.
And once we get it sheetrocked, and especially painted, because up here you have a lot of stuff on the walls,
Mhm.
you
Yeah.
know, different
Yeah.
colors. It's going to look amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Yes, I can
Then
tell.
these 2 doors right here will be roll-up doors,
Oh, okay.
right? They'll
Yeah.
fold up. And out here where you can eat lunch underneath the canopy.
Oh,
You'll have
that's
tables
nice.
up there. This is exciting.
Yeah.
Can you
Yes.
feel me get excited?
Yes.
I am. Okay, let's roll over to building C, and I'm going to show you your canopy. And then there's translucent panels right there in the middle, so you get natural sunlight,
Yeah.
right? And then this will all be seating area for you for lunch.
Okay.
And quite exciting. This is
That
going
is
to be
exciting.
a beautiful building. And I
Yes.
think you're going to find that students are going to spend a lot of time here.
Yeah, I do think so.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
because the stage,
Yes.
theater lighting in the stage.
Yeah.
Students are gonna love this.
This, and then over at the library over there, the storefront you see right at that canopy.
I do.
Right
Yeah.
out on this side, there's a big seating area.
Oh,
It's
okay.
got-
Sixth
are you
grade.
over, where are you at, Fern Bacon?
I know.
For Bacon is actually closing up for new 7th graders next year.
We're going to go.
So I don't know, maybe.
We're actually going to build that.
Oh,
This
really?
whole team goes over to Fern Bacon.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We got selected to do the job,
Yeah, I was gonna go to Firm Bacon, but not anymore.
but we go over there this summer. And
Oh,
we get Fern
okay.
Bacon started. We finish this one up in October, right? But we have another team that's going to help us.
Oh, okay.
So, okay, this is. Try to control yourself. Because
Okay.
the minute you walk in here, you're going to get excited.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, watch your step.
Okay.
But as you walk in here, you go into the classrooms, right?
Yeah.
But this is kind of like a learning center as well because it's outside your classroom.
Yeah.
So it gets really cool. That's going to be the elevator.
Oh.
Oh my
Right.
goodness, that's so cool.
You're going to have to come and visit when this is all done.
Oh my goodness, I love how you can just like see.
Now,
out
that
here
will
and
stay
stuff.
open.
Oh, okay.
That's
That's going to stay
amazing.
open just like that. It will be finished, you know, the stud work up top.
Yeah.
But this will be the railing system.
Oh.
And this is exciting as well, you know.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is exciting.
And so they're going to have some different concrete stuff in here.
Yeah.
So, and
That's nice.
what you do is you walk in here and all of a sudden you're looking out the other end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all open. Now the second floor is just like this.
Okay.
Once you get up the second floor, you have this open area and you'll have the classrooms each side. Now you know why I get so excited.
Yeah.
I would
Right?
get excited about with you too.
I
Yes.
know. I know.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's so-
but next time we do the interview, we'll do a little more walk like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And by the
Of
time
course.
we're done, by the summer, you're out of school.
Yeah.
You will be excited as I am.
Mhm.
Okay?
Yes.
All right.